The famous Indian car manufacturer Mahindra is now working on a 7-seater SUV. The codename of the SUV is S204. The car will be the 7-seater versions of their famous 5-seater SUV XUV300 and is expected to launch in the name of XUV400. The new SUV will be based on a SsangYong Tivoli XLB. Though there is no official announcement about the launch date, we expect that the car will come in the Indian market at the end of 2021 or early 2022 at the expected price between Rs 11 to 15 lakhs ex-showroom. After launch in the Indian market, it will be positioned over the ongoing XUV300. In terms of power, the new S204 will get V6 component, 1497cc 1.5-liter turbocharged direct engine 4-cylinder diesel engine capable of producing 120 bhp of power at 3500 rpm and 300 Nm of peak torque at 1750 to 2500 rpm. The SUV can be able to deliver the mileage between 17 to 20 kmpl. The engine will be mated to an optional 6-speed manual or AMT transmission. Talking about the dimension, the SUV will be 4440mm in length, 1798mm in width, 1635mm in height and will get the wheelbase of 2600mm. Talking about the exterior design, the SUV will get sportier rugged look with dual-tone exterior. Up front, it is expected to get sleek LED projector headlights with inserted LED DRLs, stylish black strip with silver highlights that run across the boot instead of front grille, the Mahindra badging at the center, sleek black air inlets along with red highlights, updated front bumper with plenty of black cladding and bumper-mounted chrome-inserted fog lights housing. The side profile will get power heated wall beams with integrated turn indicators, body color door handles, roof rail, chrome strip at the windows, tinted glass, large wheel arcs, and new set of crystal cut alloy wheels. The rear profile will receive new set of LED tail lights, Mahindra badging at the center of the boot, rear washer defogger and rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler mounted emergency braking light, rear fog lights, updated rear bumper with black cladding and rear highlights. The interior of the SUV is expected to be updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dashboard setup with dash mounted AC vents, T-cut powered adjustable leather wrapped flat bottom 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, front auto washer switch, color adjustable semi-digital cluster with multi-information TFT display, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, premium sound system, remote trunk opener, dual-zone auto climate control, wireless smartphone charger, push-button start and stop, ambient lighting, electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with 60/40 split rear seats and bigger boot space. The SUV is expected to be updated with a number of driver-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, hill assist control, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, electric stability control, lane keeping assist, seat belt and door hazard warning system, traffic sign recognition system, high beam assist, auto emergency braking, forward collision warning system, 7 SRX airbags, lane departure warning system, tire pressure monitoring system and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.